So basically, I think wala lang na abot ako expectation because it's a national pageant because prior arrival to Bohol, grabe good ako preparation. Like, nag-contact ako agad kay mga designers sa CDO just to represent not just myself, but the culture, the designs, and the artwork of Cagayan de Oro City. But pag abot ako dito, I was so disappointed because again, ako expectation is too high because it's a national pageant. From the arrival pa lang, sa venue pa lang, nakaangin ko nga, is this a national pageant? Because wala kasi sila naka-invite ng mga tao. Ang amang sashing kay Samuel, pero wala na gid pang sitpio ay, sorry kayo. Pero siya pang sitpio kayo, wala gay tao. Pero bitag, ikaw as a candidate, nag-travel ka from Cagayan de Oro City to Bohol, so you're expecting a lot of audience. Also, of course, makaboost po na siya sa confidence sa mga candidates. Uy, dagan kay audience, mugara ata. But pag ato na mo dito kayo, mura din ang kadaghan.
Wala yung mga kanang dagkong tao dito bang, like governor or kanang, di ba dako ba siya nga event? So,
yes,
probably
it's a national pageant, that's what they call.
Ilag
So
yung
yan,
invite
aside from that, yun, dagan mga activities nga disappointed yapon kayo ko kay prior pa lang gid pag-abot. Tinoy gid akong ganyan. Sige na kong ask og guidelines, especially sa among cultural attire or sa among warrior costume, but wala ko gitagan og guidelines na may mga challenges, environmental challenges, like ask ko guidelines sa video kung pila ka minutes, kung unsay kailangan ikuan, wala gyapon kong gitagaan kay i-discuss ra daw ang tanan sa arrival.
Kamo tanan na candidates ginana?
Yes, ma'am.
Kamo tanan ginana ng mga candidates?
I don't know with them because ako magud kay speak up, magud ko ga-ask gid ko kay of course we are traveling across from CDO to Kwan, so I really need to know everything before arrival pag-abot dito. But then dagan ko questions nga wala natubag prior arrival, so of course yun, disappointed ko sa ila because there's no proper communication which is supposed to be naadgi dapat. Because we're from different cities, different provinces. So as early as prior arrival, kabalon lagi dapat mutanan sa kailangan dalon,
itinerary.
Oh yes, that one po. Super disappointed ko ani ma'am. Okay. Naabot ko dito 26 or 27,
Okay.
13 candidates. So, gipag ginamutan ng activities, among kahago, kabilar, efforts. And then, pagka-coronation day, lagi ako ko sa candidate.
Then ipa-appeal.
Ipa-appeal
pa siya.
so.
Moto niya, the worst thing is nakadaw pag-eject best in swimwear. Wala siya ka-appeal sa preliminaries. Moto question kasi ako, how come? Nakadaw pag siya. So yan, disappointed kay kung add to super disappointed kay ko add.
Pero wala wala man lang sila nag-apology sa inyo ha, sa nahitabo.
Nag-message about sa production team. But then the CEO itself is wala rin siya nag-apology. At least message man lang. Naiuban nag-apology pero nag-apology sila at the same time, nag-pinpoint sila ng mga tao bitaw. Tungkol magiging sa iya, tungkol sa ilang, just wala ko gaganahin. Because what I really want is accountability from them. Because it's a public pageant, diba? We are being seen publicly. So I want good na mag-accountable sila silang actions through public. Because ginapakita ba nila public, but then I don't receive any kind of actions like that.
Naasa man to nga naka-join ka to so.
Who's a handler?
Okay.
So yun, gi-invite ko sa handler nga. Kay supposed to be, dili gid ko mo join. Kay I really want a pageant that is, in line with leadership. Then gi-encourage ko sa handler nga. Join ani kay sakto kayo sa imo because of my background in non-government organizations with my projects. So yun, I said yes, okay. Siguro kay, wag yun yung pageant para sa kuha because I can voice out something at advocacy. But then yun, wala na reach ako expectation. Nag-expect gali ko naman mag-visiting mga bukid, mag-tree planting, mag-hinloog mga dagat, pero wala yun.
Sir, yung activity, sir.
Nara mo dito na puyuay sa hotel.
Naling siya na yung mga mo sa bar.
Nag-brief sa bar. Asa yung giguhat?
Luckily, wala ko adto kay during that time, gilantan ko, so nanangid ko sila. Pero, gihimo na ko siya alibay. Kay, gi-imagine na nako nga, sa bar, something like that. I don't wanna see myself doing that one. Nag-gets na ako nga, ubang pageant, mag-brief. Pero, sa mga resort, sa swimming pool, during swimwear competition, with the bar, kaya ginatawag, So,
Saan
yun,
yung untang advocacy ninyo ato sa pageant?
environment yun.
Save Mother
So,
Earth.
nag-expect ko nga mga activities in line with environment, coastal cleanups, tree planting. Nagdalagid ko jogger, nagdala ko sapatos
Pero,
pang hiking.
At
Kaya
first,
expect
wala
ko-
sa jud ka sir nag-research daan kung saan ni siya klase nga pageant kay ba man ni sabak ra
Girl
pud ka
nila.
diretso.
Wala kayo naka-research yung kaya kay nagsalit ko sa handler nga. Okay,
Lagi sa-
kailangan po.
Di ba?
Pero with with my handler and with my team CD on Miss Or, alaga with kayo nila dito.
Pero wala kay nabit-bit dito nga kanang as in awards.
Wala namang binigay sa coronation. Kaya,
Pag-out na ka.
kanina mo during sa coronation, maglilig man to. Nagipagawas ni sa G. Kaya bawal na. So, may discussion towards the candidates kung padayon ka ba o dili. So, nag-voting may. So, murag half-half, something like that. Gusto magpadayon and then murag half pod murag dili sila gusto magpadayon because imagine ay mga candidates na medic sila tungkol sa linya kay wala yung panihapon kay wala sila nag-provide ng panihapon.
So grabe
yun,
yun ka unorganized.
despite sa konti ilagay pong push. So during that time among handlers dahil o gamit team kay sige na sila kunya halik na mo diri sa van mga tunata
Inappropriate sad kayo nga nay nalinogan kamo
Yes.
nagpadayon.
Yes,
Diba
ma'am.
Miss Asia Pacific sir kay nag-cancel gani.
Oh yes ma'am, kapag gali sa mga babae kay nag-cancel gali sila.
nag-cancel.
So yun, nag-suggest ko ito, what if i-online na lang kay since di bago kay tabo kay pa na before. Wala man nilagay so when ay tabo kay nagkuha sila sakyan ng truck from the government, ipasakay tapos idala din sa coffee shop. Kaya nagpadayon sila dito sa coffee shop.
Oh, ni
So
sa
improper.
Nag-ulan, naglingog, nag-brown out, ipadayon dito nila.
mao. So katong nga pageant na ay winner.
Naagid ko yun.
So pero mura
Pero dito sa coffee shop.
The coffee shop. So Mr. Coffee Shop na siya ma'am.
So karon sa may mong message sir. I'm sure makita man gyud ni.
learning.
Makita man gyud ni sa katong mga
Kasi dapat
organizer.
nabuhat.
Siguro ang learning sa na ko dito no kay sometimes we are so focused on the destinations. We put so much effort, time sa destinations. The destination going to the crown, but we often forget what's really matters is kanang ang mga tao nga na-meet nato along that destination, along that journey. So the only lessons that I get or the takeaway I get from that experience is the brotherhood that I get from my co-candidates because we have the same sentiments. It's just that they cannot speak up because I don't know.
Let's like that.
Wala sila guts. So muna, until lang, we are still connected to each other. So
Listen,
in the
learn.
next month, so magkita ay mi, maglaglaag mi. So I think that's the takeaway that I could get from that experience.
Unsa imong message sa mga organizer? Susama ni nga mga pageant.
Karang tinuod yun.
Oh, yes sir.
Siguro, I'm not telling you guys to have a very grand production or pageant. But I want to tell you that at least man lang give justice to the efforts of every candidates because we're traveling from different cities. We're traveling across the seas, the air, but then at least man lang ba makater mig tarong, ma-answer mo mga questions because again, we're not expecting grand coronation, grand production, at least satisfaction from our efforts. Yun lang. So, if ever man gali i-push ninyo next year, if ipo-push niyo man next year, hopefully, you know, you could get lessons from this experience and then try to improve. Yun lang. Not just for the organization, but for the candidates and for the advocacies that we are talking about.